tuned to this 2-minute techie tip brought to you by the Luma Christie State Squad. Students actively involved in networking and technology. This is Kevin.
And Peter.
And today we're going to show you how to search. Most people know how to use search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, but do you really know what you're searching for? Do you really get the right results? Today we'll show you just that.
As he said, some of the main search engines are Google, Bing, Ask, Wiki Answers, and Yahoo Search. And the list goes on and on. Google is probably the most known of all the search engines and is what users most commonly use.
Why is my
Let's pretend that my TV is fuzzy. I could type in Google, why is my TV fuzzy? ? That would bring up many results, but it also would not get you the best results. Search engines use keywords. They don't use questions. And so you want to type in keywords rather than questions. Instead of using why is my TV fuzzy, I could type in LG TV fuzzy picture. This would bring up better things and more of what you want. Okay, now we're going to use Bing. Let's say we're going to search for an image. So you can go on Bing and click image. Now, let's say I want a picture of a brain cell. I could say, what do brain cells look like? ? Here it would bring up many images. I can choose the size of the images. As you can see, none of these really work. But now, what I could do, to make this have more key terms, I could type in brain cell, and it would bring up better images of a brain cell. Things like this. You can also change things like size, layout, color, style. You can do size. Let's say I want a wallpaper for my desktop. I could select a wallpaper. If I wanted a layout, I could do, depending on what my computer was, I could do wide, square, etc. For color, you could select if you want a black and white picture, or just like you wanted a green picture. For style, it could be either an illustration or a photograph. And for people, it could be like just their head and shoulders, their faces, etc. There are some websites like ask.com where you actually could type in the question because it's ask.com. You're supposed to ask questions and it has answers to them. Wiki Answers is the same way. Yahoo is just like Google and Bing. It's basically the same layout.
Okay, another cool feature on Google is the dot tool. The dot tool enables you to get rid of certain things you don't want. For example, if I want a new computer, but I don't want a Mac, I do the minus button and I type Mac, and I press enter. It'll pop up with anything but Mac. I have Gateway, I have a magazine, I have, various things that you can use is the define tool. Define is in Google strictly, so type define, put a colon, and type a word. Now it will define all the words it can find across the internet. The tool you can use is the cite tool. You can type in a part that you want, and then you type in cite, colon, and a website. This site searches only that website, so you get information about each of the items on that website.
If you'd like to learn more about search engines, specifically Google, you can go to google.com/help/features.html, and that'll tell you more about searching. Thank you for watching this 2-minute techie tip on search tools, brought to you by the Luma Christie State Squad. Look for other techie tips.